Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Airsoft Addiction TV. This is going to be an unboxing episode from Torontoairsoft. Sorry about the lack of videos. We're going to try to put out more. Hopefully I have a lot of them over the Christmas break. We do have another package to unbox though after this one, so that'll be 2 videos coming out tonight. So I'll just open this up. Already taken off the shipping information because nobody needs to know where I live. I'm pretty excited about this. Been wanting this for a while, and put a lot of money into it. Worked pretty hard for it. Open up here. You cut it there. Okay.
Big box.
Yeah, definitely a big box. Yep. So first of all, I picked up some King Arms 0.28 gram BBs. They look really nice, really high gloss actually on them.
Oh.
Put those back there. Here I have a Firefox LiPo charger and a G&P LiPo battery.
Dean's
And with Dean's connectors. Okay, let's get this out of here. Pull that box out. Pretty plain box.
This might just be an empty box.
Really, let me see. Open that up. Okay, put the knife away. Don't want to get anybody cut here. Flip it over because I think this is the bottom.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It said 380 FPS, 0.2 grams.
Yeah. Oh wow. It's packaged nice, which is to be expected from this company. Okay. Grab that knife again. Try not to ruin this. Get it open. Ooh. Okay, first. Okay. Careful with this.
Oh my god.
Okay, and this is what I got. Hopefully that's all in the frame here. This is a G&P 114. That's a nice gun. That's a really nice gun. Let me see. Open this up with the mag in here.
Oh, okay, yeah. I was gonna ask if it came from the mags.
I think this is a 180 round mid cap, as far as I know.
How much was the gun?
The gun was quite expensive. It was around $500. Get the mag in.
Didn't it say you had to hold the mag release or something when you put it in?
I'm not sure. Oh. Did I get it?
There we go.
There we go. Okay, wow.
Older sideways?
Clearly that's a really nice gun. Comes with a G&P red dot sight.
That's sick.
I wonder if there's batteries in it already. Let's see. Yep. Already batteries in it. Which is pretty cool. Safety's right there.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's like already polished and everything.
Yeah. It's a nice looking gun. So thanks for watching this unboxing, guys. Wait for the other one. It'll be out very shortly. And I'll see you guys later.